In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a picture to Excel and copy data from an image directly into your spreadsheet. This is really useful if you've taken a photo of a table, a receipt, or any printed data, and you don't want to type everything out manually. First, open Excel on your computer or mobile device, and make sure the workbook where you want the data to appear is already open. It's helpful to have a blank area ready, usually an empty sheet or a clear section of your current sheet, because that's where Excel will place the converted data. Next, look for the option that lets you insert data from an image. On many versions of Excel, especially on mobile, you'll see an icon or menu item that says something like Insert Data from Picture, or simply From Picture. Go ahead and select that. If you're using a desktop version that supports this feature, it may be under the Data tab or the Insert menu. Now, choose whether you want to take a new photo or use an existing one. If you're taking a photo, try to place your document on a flat surface with good lighting. Make sure the table or data is fully in frame and as straight as possible. The clearer the picture, the better Excel will be at recognizing the text and separating it into rows and columns. After you capture or select your image, Excel will take a moment to process it. You'll usually see a preview of how it thinks the table should look. This is your chance to review and clean things up before you insert it into the sheet. Scroll through the preview and check for obvious mistakes, like numbers in the wrong column, missing headers, or characters that didn't scan correctly. If Excel highlights any areas it's unsure about, take a second to fix them. You can usually tap or click on a cell in the preview and manually edit the text. This small bit of correction now can save you a lot of time later. When you're happy with the preview, confirm or insert the data. Excel will place the converted table directly into your worksheet. From here, you can format it like any other table, adjust column widths, change number formatting, apply filters, or use formulas. And that's all there is to it. By using Excel's From Picture feature, you turn static images into editable, usable data in just a few steps, without having to retype everything by hand.